to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's a very quick unboxing today. This is something that I've actually had here to unbox for a bit and keep forgetting to do it. So this is just a little what could be classed as a little added extra for diamond painting, and if I can get in it. So these are from AliExpress and they cost the grand sum of £1.90 each, and I did decide to get two different ones. So I've got one in clear and one in black. Now I did get something very similar a bit ago, not long ago. It was after I'd ordered these but before they arrived. I got something very similar from Home Bargains, but can I remember where I've put it? I can't, which is not like me. It normally goes in one pile until I've sorted it and it's gone away. But I can't think where I've tucked it. Anyway, these are sort of little mats that are sticky but not sticky. So they're sort of plastic. This is very light. But the idea is you can stick it down near where you're working on your diamond painting, and it will hold your tray. So it will stop your tray from sliding. So let's give this a go. This is my mat cover from IKEA, my desk cover. So can you see? Oh, so it's only fully upright, vertical, and a bash that the tray has fallen off. And I'm sure the diamonds would fall out of it before you got to that point. And that could be because of the way it ridges on the back as well. Let's try that again and sort of, so we're tipping it up. Okay, so it's gone all the way upright now and it's still stuck. It's only on a bang, it falls. And as I say, your diamonds would have come out by then anyway. So I think that's it's pretty nifty. It's very thin. It's a lot thinner than I thought it would be. But yeah, I wanted to give these a go. I wasn't sure what colour I wanted. I'm guessing the covers are just to stop it picking up hairs and things like that. And then I've got the same in a black. So you can see, you might be able to see easier on the black. So it's quite smooth on the back. It's got some little dimply bits, otherwise you put your mat on it, lift it all the way up, and it's only when you start going back on yourself that it falls off. Have I got a green tray? Okay, so I'm just pulling out one of the toolkits I've got stashed in case you maybe use green trays, but green trays have a flat back. They've not got the ridge. So I'm not sure if you can even see it. So these have got a ridge, which means it's not gripping onto the bulk part of it, whereas the green tray has got a ridge. So let's see. It's a very big mat to be doing this with, but that's all the way up. That's gone over. So you see in the back. Go back to the middle. Loads of bashes and it ain't moving. Yet you can peel it up. And I've got a little bubble working its way through. That's cute. It's like a little bubble that was doing a little dance. I don't know if the camera's picked that up. But yeah, you can push your green tray down and it takes a bit to get it up. But that could maybe stop those unnecessary knocks, you know, where the tray goes all over the place. That's what I thought anyway. So yeah, they cost £1.90 each from AliExpress. You may or may not be able to find them cheaper. I did, as I say, picked one up that I thought was very similar from Home Bargains, if not the same. And it was under £1. So it did make me a little bit disappointed that I'd paid more to get these from AliExpress, but until I can compare them, it's not really fair, is it? So If I find where I've put it, I'll put it on the end of this video. I'll go have a quick hunt for the one I got from Home Bargains, but I've got a feeling it could have not made it into my craft room, which means one of the kids might have had it for themselves, and if that's the case then I'm never going to see it. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you what they look like, in case you're thinking of something similar. But yeah, with these green trays it works really well, super well should I say. With the white tray it does still work. It's still, if you think about it, you're not likely to tip your whole diamond painting up on its end, but it will be very good for holding your diamond tray while you're working on it, especially if you're working on a tilt. Might save you having to hold the diamond tray yourself. Get one of these to do the work for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.